in the season 2. Guys, I think they make a game. Alright, guys, this is a sad. In the season 2, I don't want to let you die. We ended the. Huh? Because it could die. But guys, look. Look. Guys, look. She's holding the. She took it. Maybe she did took it. Yeah, I think so. Guys, yeah. I think so. Okay, come on. I know I'm really ending, guys. Okay, goodbye. Please, I'm coming, but guys, I think they make a game also this, but please make the ending, make the second season. It's also this one, better, please, please. Hi guys, this is a sad anime, really, but the kids, nah, give him a this, yeah. Wait, that's the moon. The promise. Look yeah. Look here, guys. Guys, you did the honor. You said I want a favor. Maybe he gave his daughter to him to rebuild them. Maybe, maybe rebuild them.